This is a multi-purpose ultrasonic repellent. Mice, bats, roaches, squirrels, raccoons, and more. Indoor use, multi-purpose. Comes with the remote control. Each of the controls controls a mode, and on the top of the unit, it'll change the light colors for the different modes. The first mode is going to be a siren, and then we have for the next mode, low, high, and trio. The instruction guide tells you about the light sequences, how this will work when it starts to go past a certain amount of seconds. We're going to plug in the USB-A brick that is supplied, as well as the USB-C cable that is about 6 feet in length. It is 9 volts. It is a 5-volt brick. On the back is the USB-C port. On the bottom are rubber feet, so it prevents this from sliding. You can place this anywhere you want, in the house, in the barn, in an RV, wherever you have power. When you hit the on button or hit the remote control, the first one's going to light up with the siren. We're going to quickly change over. We are on the third setting. As you can see, it's giving off a light sequence. As we shut the lights off, you can see it. If we click on the top without the remote control, we change over to the next mode. The trio mode is the last mode. It is interesting. It throws out different types of sounds to scare off things. We have here is a volume control. It can lower and raise the volume. We have on the front a light control that we could turn off the LED lights that are all around it, 360 degrees. Place this anywhere you want, including placing traps to capture your mouse. They're very simple to set up, the modern trap or the old-fashioned trap. Switching to the different modes is simple as pressing it 1, 2, and 3. Let's go put the ultrasonic rodent repellent somewhere where this will work over time to scare away your raccoons, squirrels, rodents, mice, roaches, and more. We set our unit up. We could turn it off and on, and has a last memory recall. I hope you enjoy your ultrasonic repellent unit. Enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, very easy to set up and use. Setup is 1, 2, 3, and walk away.